So this is a footprint. So this one I got at REI, but you can just use a tarp. You can go to Home Depot and get a tarp if you want a nice footprint and just cut it to the size. I've used that before in the past. Just lay your footprint down. Find a nice flat spot to sleep tonight. Pretty cool too, because then you have a nice dry area you can lay out on. You know, I told you guys in the previous video about this Thermarest seat. On all my trips, this thing came in handy. You can fold it different ways. You could fold it back on itself and make a seat for your butt. I like to use the same way when I'm setting up camp. You take this and you can put your knees on it. Oh, it feels so good. Nice and comfortable. All right, so like I told you before, I kept the poles separate. You could put poles in the bag. I like to keep them separate. The poles, kept the bag that they came in, and kept the rubber band that came with it. I like to keep them nice and organized. All these poles are all connected to one. It's all one unit, all right? You got the long one that goes in the rear. And look, you got the front two that go up front. See that? It's like a big cross. The long one goes in the rear. Okay, so make sure you have the tent and not the fly. This is the fly, this is the tent. Obviously the tent has the screen material on it. So you'd start with your first one. Start with the front. You take this, you put it right in this hole like that. Got it? And then grab your other front, this side, and you'll bend it. And bend it down, put it in that hole. See how I got that set up now? These are gonna clip on here, so you can do the whole front first if you want to. Clip these on, just take care of the whole front. Just like that. So now you got your front of your tent. Same thing on the back. What's great is there's really only 3 points to the tent. The two in the front, and same with this. See how that goes? Clips right in there. And then this connects to this. And then these connect up. Now if it's raining like this, you want to hurry up and get your fly on, right? Right, good. So we got the Rainfly, right? Make sure it's facing the right direction. You can tell by the emblem if you're reading it forward and not in reverse. This clips in the back. And these clips right here, these clip on the sides. So that's just 3 clips, that's it. But underneath here, you have these clips. This Velcro gets wrapped around this pole right here. This connects to here, and then this one connects to this side. So this Rainfly, you got to make it taut, right? So it's got to have stakes running out here. Usually I loosen them out a lot, because then you can always tighten them later. If you put one like here, usually wrap it right around there. But before you tighten it, put the other one in, which is right here. This one loose right there. This one's to the tent itself. This is the Rainfly. This one's the tent. Obviously you want that one fastened down. So you just go like that. This ground's nice and soft right now. Pull it taut, and then you put the next one in. And then, for the rain, you gotta get this to kick out like this. Put that one in, and check it out. You put this one in. So now water's going to shed away from your front door. That's in the front. The front, they're separate. In the back, I put them in the same stake. the fly and the tent. See, this is the tent, this is the fly. I keep them the same like that. And on the right side, take the tent and the fly, I put them together in this stake. Pull it taut. You can adjust this right here. This is like your center spine, basically. That kind of look at it, give it a good look. And you can push those in. This clip clips there, and this clips here. What's good about these clips on the side, like I said, it's really small in there. When you tighten these out, it pulls the tent away too. For these, when I'm hiking, I just find big boulders and I wrap these cord around the big boulder and lay the boulders on the ground and then tighten these out. Face the notch so the notch is facing that way so it can grip the notch. And look at, you pull this, you pull it taut, and once it's tight, you turn it and it locks on that. See how I got the notch facing away so the cord doesn't slip off there? Go like this. You pull, 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 nice and taut, and then you lock that mechanism in. Look at that, it's nice and locked. There you go. So now your tent's set up. Now it's time to go to bed. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Also give me suggestions for more videos you'd like to see. Thanks.